Look, I should be putting a video out every day, maybe twice a day, because I am so excited about the opportunity that is available through this one platform that has the ability to create multiple streams of income just from one platform. I mean, the funnels are all done for you, the advertising, unlimited leads, starting I think in just a couple days, I'm going to have 750 leads a month coming into my back office. And not only that, but I don't have to worry about following up because there'll be AI sending out texts, emails, and ringless phone calls and leaving messages and stuff. And, but I don't know, it just blows my mind. And not only that, but the membership levels that they've created now are like, it's a no-brainer. So they're willing to. These multiples. I'm so excited. I don't even know how to say it, but there are like 4 different membership levels. So there's a free level, and heck, you could get on there and bring in your own leads and promote your own stuff, and it's a free. I mean, why wouldn't you do that? Right? I mean, why not have a platform and a dashboard for your own stuff that's set up for you free? But if you really want to take things to the next level, you take advantage of one of the other membership levels, and there's going to be 5 different streams of income. Like right now, I got Live Good. So I got my Live Good shirt on right now. So Live Good is one of the income streams that's available. Reach Solar, which I'm getting really excited about because, man, this program is phenomenal. And then there's Savings Highway Global. Totally stoked about that too, with all the different savings. That I mean, for $20 a month, you could have more savings than what you're spending. And right now, because of all the people that have been placed into the matrix for me, I mean, I'm making more than my monthly membership costs. So you can only, I mean, that's when you can really start to scale, because once you have you're in profit mode, of course, then it's just about scaling. And then there's going to be 2 more. I don't know what they are. They're a surprise. But the thing is that out of all of the 5 income streams, 2 of them are going to be free, and the other 3 will add up to like $50 a month. So there's $10 for Live Good, $20 for Savings Highway Global, and the next income stream is going to be $20. But here's the cool thing: anybody that comes in as a member at the lowest level will only have to pay $20 a month for their membership, and as long as they're in 3 streams of income, they don't have to pay the $50 a month. So I'm not sure, that's kind of wild. But like the other membership level is 100, and if you're in all 5 income streams, you'll get $50 credit towards your membership. So you're only paying $50 a month. And that means you're getting a certain number of leads guaranteed every month. It just blows me away. And then there's the elite level, which is $250 a month. And that's what I'm in. But if you're in all 5 income streams, you get a $50 credit. So it's only $200 a month. And you only have to pay that for like 3 months. And if you're not in profit mode by that time, then you don't keep paying until you're in profit mode, which means that you've got enough coming in from leads that are covering your monthly membership. And that's, like I said, once you get to that point, then you're scaling. And then on top of that, you want to supercharge, you get some ad packs. Now, of course, since I'm considered like a founder of one of the founders, because this company only launched back in December, and I didn't mean to keep it a secret. I mean, the last couple of weeks I've been actually painting my house, so and my computer died, and I was like, I can't do videos without editing. My computer's still messed up, but I started thinking about today, like, don't let your reasons be the excuse for not doing something. So, yeah, I had a good reason. I painted my house, as you can see. Where is it? Oh, that's not good. Wait a minute. Oh, there it is. So, yeah, I painted the house. Whoa, that's weird. I'm trying to hold this thing. Oh, how about if I just do it like this? Anyway, what was I saying? Don't let your reasons for not doing something be your excuse not to have done something. And I had promised myself I was going to do 1 to 2 videos a day for 8 minutes. And, well, I've got some good reasons why I didn't. But, the thing is I'm so fired up about this opportunity. Oh, my God. So I'm leading by example, and I've gone all in with this. I purchased an ad pack. Actually, I had 4 ad packs, but now they're combining them. It'll be one huge ad pack that's going to bring in 600 people to my team. Plus, on top of that, I'm going to be getting 750 leads a month. That blows my mind. What am I going to do with all these leads? Well, fortunately, that's what AI is for, because Sparky AI is going to be doing all the follow-up. I was talking to my sponsor today, who helped me get into this opportunity. I was like, with all those leads, what are you going to do? Are you going to set up a system to like manually reach out to them or anything? And he said, no, I'm just going to let Sparky do it. And he must be doing something right, because he's made over $12,000 since December, just promoting Sparky AI. And wow, so I mean, he's got a lot of experience. I'm kind of new at this, so actually I'm not completely new. I've tried a lot of different things, but I haven't really gone as all in as I am right now. Like, I'm invested into this thing. Now, not everybody's got to do that to get their feet wet and start seeing some results, but I'm just going to lead by example, and I'm going to post updates on what's happening. And if you're interested in learning more, just click the link below. And I'm also coming up with a guide for 10 reasons why you should get into an AI side hustle. So there should be a link down there for that too. Or if there isn't, there will be one soon. And yeah, go check it out. I mean, sign up for free if you want and see what happens. See what you can do. Because when I get to a point where I'm hoping to be at some point, I won't be painting the house. I'll be paying somebody else to paint it. All right. Catch you all later.